Right, hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to mod Gamesaves in Oblivion. So first off, you're going to need Modio. It's going to be play a major role in pretty much everything that you're going to do. Xtaf, if you're using a USB flash drive. From personal experience, I'm recommending version 6. Horizon, because it's got a great Oblivion mod package that I don't think Modio includes, at least last time I checked. Anyway, it's just better in every way anyway, so. Then you're going to need Elder Edit. It's a advanced Oblivion editor. I will go over what's going on with Elder Edit a little later. And then if you want, you can get a binary editor of some sort. I use Hex Edit. This is just to deal with the problems that you can run into with Elder Edit when editing weaponry and spells and stuff like that, but I'll get into that later. I'm not going to be doing anything on this though. It's just something good for you to download. You can look up tutorials for it later if you run into any problems with Elder Edit, but for the most part Elder Edit works fine. It's just a few things binary editor can clear up. And then of course you're going to need a USB flash drive or a transfer cable on an Xbox 360 hard drive. Again, transfer cable and Xbox 360 hard drive, just use Modio, Xtaf for the USB flash drive. Alright. So first off, you're going to need a good template for your modded Gamesave. Now, I really recommend downloading this Gamesave and using this. You can start off right before you exit the sewers and edit whatever you want, and once you get out, you have a nice little complex under Rosethorn Hall. It includes every weapon and everything in the game really. Every weapon item, anything. It includes test halls, an altar of enchanting, spellmaking, an altar of vampirism, and some. Yeah, I think I already mentioned testing halls, but it also includes every location on the map of Oblivion, so, or whatever the place is called, whatever the country is, I forget. But yeah, I recommend getting this. I will include the link along with all the links to everything that you'll need in the description if you want those. Once you have that, I'm going to show you how to set it up so you can actually load the game save and use it as your own. So this is the game save. It's going to be called Save 5 when you download it. If you already have a Save 5, I recommend doing something about that. But it's going to have no profile ID and no device ID. You're going to have to find a game save or get a game save off your device and replace your profile ID and device ID on this. Once you've done that, you can rehash and resign the other one, the one I just X'd out, the one that you replace the profile and device ID on, and you can minimize Modio for now. Open up Horizon, and then take the save 5 that you just rehashed, resigned. Go and do your business. Edit your character, edit whatever, leave the sewers, and then once you leave the sewers, save, bring that back to desktop, and go ahead and just, I'm going to use save 15. Say this is the save that I used right after I did that. Go to the mod package. From here, you can edit all your attributes, your level, your gold, your lockpicks, your location even, your hair color, your name, anything you really want. You can edit skills and stats. I recommend not pressing the max skills button because that will put you up to 255, and if you put on anything that increases those even by like a few, it will reset to 0, and even taking those items off won't deal with that. So stats, if you know the stat's going to change, like killing creatures, if you kill a creature, something like that, and set the max number it can be at, which you hit max stats it will be at. it will go revert back to 0. So I recommend just taking a few numbers off the top on anything you know that'll change. Largest bounty, skill advances. If you're smart, neither of these should change. Um, so once you're done with that, save, rehash, resign, X out, and then you can just sort of X out of this program. Actually, don't really need it anymore unless you want to go back and change something in that mod package. And you can go ahead and open up your Elder Edit program. In order to actually edit things in Elder Edit, you're going to need to drag your save, whichever one you're going to use to edit custom weapons and custom spells or whatnot. They have to be custom, might I just add. You have to actually make them in the game, and since it can only store so much memory, or the memory that you loaded them with, you can't add any other extra effects. So make sure to put as many effects as you want in the actual spell that you're going to be making. But just go to File Contents and just extract this file to your desktop. I've already gone and done it. So once you've done that, X out, minimize Audio again. Open up your Elder Edit, and then open up that data. Now you can see all the custom, all the weapons, spells, potions that you've made, and you can edit them as you will. So, say for a spell, I created this. This summons a crap load of things twice, just to reinforce that they actually all get there for a duration of 360 seconds. But you can make this anything you want, really. It will all work as long as it stays, at least for spells, within 4 digits in the duration, distance, and magnitude. What I mean by that is that for the Xbox 360 console, anything that's greater than 4 digits, at least with spells, in magnitude, distance, or duration will cause some problems. So just keep that in mind. Also, you can edit armor, weaponry, clothing, potions, and these don't have any limits on their how high you can go, besides the limits that it will let you go to. I mean, if it'll say there's an error, it will tell you about the error. With spells, it doesn't tell you. It's just if you go above 4 digits, you're probably going to get some error of some sort. So just keep that in mind. But once you're done editing, how you will, I mean, this editor is quite self-explanatory. Not much to it. You can do a lot with it. You can open keys that need the lock. Get vampirism. You can summon a crap load of things. You can mind control a crap load of things in a really large area. But whatever you do, whenever you're done, just hit save, X out of this, and then just put your game data back in, or just replace it in the same save you got it out of. So I got this out of save 15, so I would just drag save 15 to Audio, wait for Audio to load, go to File Contents, and then just click Replace, and just find that modded Gamesave or game data, which is already modded in the beginning, but is now twice as modded. Just find that, and you should be good. And then just rehash and resign, and I don't need to do this. I've already done this, so. Then once you're done, you can minimize Audio and open up whatever device explorer you use. I'm going to show you some of my spells and my save on my console in like a few minutes, but I use XTF, so I would just normally open up this file, open the device. Oh wait, I don't have my device plugged in right now, but it would open up the directory. Then I'd go to my profile. You're gonna have to figure out how to actually navigate through this on your own. There should be a bunch of tutorials out there. If you don't understand that, I hope you would at this point. But it should be pretty self-explanatory. Anyway, my tutorial on my PC is done, so I'm going to show you on the console everything that I've pretty much done. And this can all be yours with all these tools I've shown you. So that's it for the tutorial on the desktop. Going over to the console.
You seem quite...
It's been too long! I'm on your side! I've much more fearsome than you.